In this video I'm going to be showing you how to attach skirting boards to the wall. Now for this we need a few different drill bits. First of all, I use a 5mm drill bit to drill through the skirting boards. Then I use a countersink bit to take the head of the screw under the surface of the wood so you can fill it later. And then I go through the wall with a 5.5mm masonry bit. And that's to accept the red plugs. And then I like to use a 3"10" wood screw. Remember, if you've got any plug sockets in the wall, the wires usually run straight up and down from them. So bear this in mind when you're fitting skirting boards. Because if you look under here, there's the wires. We do not want to put a screw through them. I've pre-marked a few positions on the skirting boards where I'm going to put the screws. Now I've avoided the sockets, but I've also got a bit of a belly in the wall. So I'm putting one here, so it'll pull the gap into the wall. Notice that the screws pull the skirting board in a bit too much because I'm missing plaster behind, like this one has. It's simple enough, you just need to pack behind it with a bit of timber, little offcut, or a bit of plasterboard, whatever you've got to hand really. Put the packer behind where the screw is and just tighten it up again. Much better job. Three fixings was enough to secure this back to the wall. A little bit of cork along the top and it'll be a good job. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.